morning. I'm Thomas Bice, and I'm the product manager for laser and volume measurement products. And this morning I want to talk to you about the new VM3D laser scanner. So the VM3D, which is the device we see here, is a laser scanner that uses laser technologies to get distances from the reference point, which is the base of the scanner, to a stockpile of bulk material. This could be coal or mining ores or bulk chemicals like fertilizers or plastic pellets. And what it does is it runs through a pattern, and you can see it doing its thing right now, so it's rotating, and gives a whole series of distance measurements and uses that to build a profile of the shape of the pile. And once you have that, we can use some mathematical algorithms to calculate how much material is in the pile and give you its volume and then its mass, which is of great interest to customers because that material has a value typically per ton or per unit volume, and they want to know how much of it they have for their financial inventory. The way the results appear is on a website, which we see an example of here. So essentially, when the scanner does its thing, the volume is computed and it appears on a website as a 3D rendering. So because it is a laser scanner and essentially builds up the volume by moving around on two axes and taking distances, we can also use it to capture a series of discrete distances and give you, for example, the height of the pile at 10 different points, or the height of a couple of piles that are side by side. And these are things that are quite easy to set up with the VM3D. The VM3D was designed to live in harsh industrial environments. So even though it's got circular motion here, it can move up and down. All of these mechanisms are permanently sealed, permanently lubricated. You can hose it down, you can put it in a thick, heavy dust environment. It'll work from freezing temperatures to the heat of the desert, and it'll also work with explosive dust present. It's all permanently sealed. It's not going to create any sparks that could be an issue when you get dust that can burn, like coal dust or sugar dust. So we've made it very friendly to install. There's no maintenance. It's very resistant to any environments it gets put in. Essentially, it makes volume measurement easy.